monkeys just up there.
What? Oh.
And then there's also a baby monkey over there. Baby monkey there, baby monkey there. There.
Little
There.
There's a little one right there.
There. Mum, I've counted at least 10 baby monkeys. Yeah, there's
one in the back
fighting
corner
up
over there.
there's
Look.
one there.
There's one strangling up there.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are they all gone? 5.
There's one hanging on the bar.
6. Where are they all gone? 6, 7. 8.
Oh, there's one right up there. 9.
But yeah, I counted 8.
He's only got one arm, this one.
Has he? Oh. Little putchie.
This one's only got one arm, Rafe. Look.
Huh?
This one here's only got one arm.
Oh, little baba. He's hiding. We still love you even without one arm.
Wow, I wonder what happened to his arm.
I think I know what happened. Do you want to know? I think like he was digging too much because look, you can see like a bit that you can see.
He's only got one arm.
Yeah.
Got 2 back legs and
Oh,
one
you
arm.
can see his bum. You can see his bum.
You see his bum? Lovely.
Yeah, look.
If you're obsessed with them, they've got
More monkeys. What the heck is that?
Right.
oh, that monkey just did parkour over there.